Hi friends, I am Tilak, you're watching Tech Made Me Unique, and today we're going to see how to change the numbering styles on your Canva docs on your PC. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to change the numbering style in Canva docs on your computer. For an example, if I just going to make a numbering here, so just going to add numbering here. So if I just going to click on numbering list, it only shows this numbering. So you just need to change the numbering style. So you just need to use this trick to change the numbering style in the Canva docs. So first you just click on the element option and just going to insert a table. So insert any table, and also you just need to change this to a 2 columns. So just delete the 1 column here. Just delete the column. Now you just need to paste this every text inside the second column. So after pasting the text, you just resize the text like this, resize the column like this, and then you just need to select everything, select the full table, select the entire table, and just make this alignment to the left align. Then just click inside the first box here and just go to the elements and just click and just type as numbering. So you can just type as numbering. Here you have a lot of different number of type of numbering. You just can click inside this and you can just insert the numbering like 2, 3 like that. If you just need a Roman number, you can just search as Roman numbering and you can find the Roman numbers here. So you can just use this Roman numbers to insert here. So after this you can just resize the symbols. So you just need to remove the table color. So just select the entire table first. Then you just need to click on the border on the top, and here just choose the border color and just change this border color to a white color and click OK. Now you can see the custom numberings has been inserted. This is how you just insert a custom numbering or change numbering style on your Canva docs. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Me Unique. Have a wonderful day.